You see the gel has penetrated inside the LCD, causing a watermark effect. My competitors such as Ag Express will not attempt to fix this issue. All the gel that has leaked internally will be cleaned out thoroughly. You see the gel has been removed from the LCD and a new touchscreen has been installed with a screen protector. You will notice that the watermarking effect has also been removed from this display. After the repair, you will not have the bubble effect show up as the gel has been fully extracted. My repair also keeps your display OEM. LCD is OEM and your front frame. There's an aftermarket company out there, won't drop names. They use an aftermarket frame and you will lose the John Deere logo in the front, which affects resale value.